truck just broke down. I'm only 2 bins in. I have 12 more on the route. I'm like literally on the highway, bro. I'm getting tired of this crap. I'm gonna try to bleed the fuel lines again. Hopefully there's just air. I gotta be avoiding a lot of traffic. Look at all that air, bro. Why is this happening? Woo, baby! I got this jump to start. I'm so happy. I had to bleed the fuel lines again. So much air in the fuel line. Hopefully I can get through this route. We have 2 houses right here. We got this house and then we got this house. But this house didn't leave their bins out. So, I mean, we text them and we let them know we're here. If they don't bring it out, then, I mean, they still get charged a driver fee, so. As you can see, we're here at 7-Eleven. My hands smell like diesel and it's lunchtime. We're gonna reveal the lunch today. This is something I've been wanting to do. So these sugar cookies are the best cookies I've ever had from a gas station. I don't know. We had to get the coffee because you can't have video without this coffee. We got this. I look ridiculous. What the heck? It looks worse on the camera, bruh. Bite going on here. It's not bad. It's not bad. 2 bins were emptied and then the other ones weren't. 2 different pickups though. Oh. That one got in my mouth. Man, that one got me right in my mouth. There's a hole at the bottom of the bin. 3 bin monthly. Dang. Whoa. What do you guys think? Should I charge a bagging fee if their trash has been picked up the day before? This right here is just people putting trash back in the bin knowing that I'm coming. It's all wet. This one's nasty. This one I can understand because I think the recycle's on a different day. For the people that say not everybody needs monthly, well, this house right here is a monthly and look how dirty that is. Before, see how clean it is. We are currently at the next 2 houses. It's that house and then it's this house right here. That house doesn't look like they have their bins out. It might be down in their driveway, but they're both 3 bins, so this is 6 bins in total right here. Let's see if his neighbor got his bins. Oh, I see the bins. Uh-oh. I'm just here to wash your bins, dog. I was kind of scared that dog was gonna come after me, but then I just realized he was just a barker. We're running low on water. This route is only 14, but a lot of these houses are 3 bins and 4 bins, so it's a lot of bins. Less houses, but more bins. This house that is on the steepest hill I ever even could imagine. Maybe it doesn't look that bad in the camera, but as soon as you see me, like, dude, I'm like getting a leg workout right now. This house is literally my favorite house because on this route, on Fridays, this is the last house. This bin is not ever that dirty. It's an easy clean. 2 bin monthly. Minutes
Who can do it faster than me?
Another thing, look, we still got all this water, and we got like up to here. Finished at 2:30, which is not too bad because we broke down. I even took a little lunch break. I don't even do that usually. I'm curious to know how much I made today actually, because today seemed like a lot of bins, but 14 houses. It wasn't like the 17 houses that we did. This one actually felt a little bit harder. Appreciate you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next one.